Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Cameron and welcome. I have been gone, but I'm back again. So yeah, I've been gone for a little while and I'm here and we're gonna do a video. So yeah. You already know by the little title of what this video is going to be about, so let's just sort of get into it. I got my Pink Religion? I don't really know the damn names anymore. Miss Jeffree Star done did her latest, what am I trying to say? Latest palette launch. So here I am. I bought it. I got it here. I'm gonna open it. Do this whole unboxing gig for y'all. And then play, That's what it is. Let me not cut myself. Alright, so let's just open her on up. This picture right here. Sesame. Stay. Okay, so now we're back. Now that picture's fixed, we have Miss Pink Religion. So first things first, I got the palettes. And then I got the setting spray. Here she is. And then I did get this, but it's not for me. I got it for a friend. So I got, what is it? Communion wine. And then I got one of them goddamn mirrors. And then, oh, I got my girl Jeffree. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, y'all look so cute. All of y'all, look at them. Look at them. How you do this? Focus. Look at, oh, look, they so cute. And then it has all the stuff in the back. So I originally wanted, I think, the pink mirror. The pink, crucifix mirror, if you will. But that was sold out. Excuse me. That one was sold out. So I was like, you know what? Oh, should I open it backwards, I think? Oh, no, I didn't. So I done got the gold one. Bam! That's pretty cool. Look at her. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. I love the little details. So fun. There she is. So there's the mirror. Y'all see that? There's that there. We're going to open the setting spray. And there she is. She pink. I want to smell what it smells like. That smells good. I like the way it smells. Good job, Jeffree. The Holy Mist. Fun. And then now for the grand finale. Grand finale is going to be Miss Pink Religion. Oh, just kidding. So I'm gonna just open this little bitch up. Put our little Pink Religion cross there. And then just open, ooh, it's so fancy. Ooh, I like how it's like the star, ooh. And then we're just gonna open her up. And there she is, she's just a book. Oh, so cute. Look at all those shades there. Okay, yes, mama. Gotta get this plastic thing off. Gotta get this other plastic thing off. Oh, it's stuck to me now. Oh, look at me just reading my favorite book. The Bible. Okay, and then I'll open this, but I'm not gonna use it because it's for my friend. So I just want to show y'all. Ooh, that shit is bright compared to those regular ones. Look at that. Okay. And then this one was the dark one right here. Communion wife, or whatever. So I'm gonna give that to her. We'll just set that aside. So yeah, that's so pretty. So beautiful. Look at all those shades. Oh yeah. Okay, so what I'm gonna do all my eyebrows and then I'll probably put some primer on and then I'll be right back. Okay? We're back and my brows are, I guess, done. And I put some little concealer, Little Miss Born This Way, little tiny mama. And so now we're gonna go ahead and start with Miss Pink Religion! Okay, so what I want to start off with is I want to use this shade right here, the one right in the middle. Was it Diva? Yeah, I want to use that shade. So I'm just gonna go right in. I'm gonna just, grab a brush, start going. I'm gonna take it like, something like this little, what is it? So I'm gonna take this little Wet n Wild brush and just start tapping it into Diva. Just like that. And yeah, we're just gonna start. So what am I gonna do actually? I love doing, we'll just start pressing it here. It's trying to stamp it in one area. Actually, I think I want to use a smaller sort of brush, one that's gonna pack a little bit more. Use this one, this brush. What is this? This is the Laurely Los Angeles brush. And this one's just I'm just gonna start packing it there. Because I want to take one of those lighter shades and sort of buff out the edge with this. And I think that'd be really pretty. So still just going in with Diva here. Just like that. And then I'm gonna take a sort of a fluffy one, fluffy one. I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild brush. And I'm gonna take, no, actually I'm not gonna take that brush. I'm gonna take this brush. This is a Morphe E17 brush. And I'm gonna take, I wanna take all of them. Pink is one of my favorite colors, so I'm just I wanna take them all. Let's take this one, Sugar Savior. And we're just gonna use that to buff that other shade. And then I want to take this big ginormous fluffy brush and just tap it into this shade, Saint Star, and then just sort of just buff the whole top. Just like this. Just to sort of work it in there. Just so we're using, 3 different shades here. Gonna go back into, what is this, Sugar Savior? And just sort of tap that along the line. Just so you get, those 3 different shades this, bright Diva shade. And then you get Sugar Savior. And then you just get little Saint Star, and you just, buff that whole entire thing out, and then just buff this little edge here. Because I don't want to be too dramatic. A pink eyeshadow look is already pretty dramatic, so it's just let's just make it look dramatic, but not too dramatic, I like that so far. So then I'm gonna use this brush that I was using in the beginning into Diva, and just sort of tap that all over the lid. Just like that. And then I mean, out of the 3 metallics, I kind of want to use this one. I just want to, like, you know, tap it on there, just over the lid. And then just go like this. Just sort of like right in the, you know, beginning. The inner corner, the beginning, geez. Just like that, that's really pretty. Drag it. Just like that. And then if I want to get a little crazy, I want to take a little insy-binsy, teeny-weeny little bit of this frosting coat on this brush and just like, you know, tap it right into the inner corner there. Just like that. Y'all see that? Just make the inner corner just like, little baby pink moment, and then just like, you know, just frost that brow bone. And there is that one eye. I'm gonna go do the other one, do my base, put some lashes on, and I'll be right back. And we're back. Both eyes done. This lash has been a little bit crazy, but we're done. I, you know, did the rest of my base, did all of that good stuff, did the full rest of the eye, did some little under eye. And yeah, I definitely love pinks. I mean, I have like pink. So pink. I just want to kiss it. But yeah, so oh, I'm gonna use Miss smells so good. Use it as a cologne. All right, so my final little thoughts. Of course, I'm gonna love it. I love Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I love his palettes. I got all of them. God damn it. And yeah, I mean, the shades, they all worked pretty well together. I mean, they all worked well together. I used, what shade did I use? Oh, I used Saying Star. I used Frosting Colt, Sugar Savior, and Diva, and Candy Cathedral. So, all in all, I like this palette. I mean, I like this too. I've only used it this one time, but I mean, just look at that little smooth. I think my nail too much of it. I think you want to choke. But other than that, this is gonna be the end of the video. Welcome me back, everyone. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.